Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial safety feature in your car, the parking brake. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need to use the parking brake when I'm parked on flat ground? Well, let me tell you, it's all about preventing a potentially dangerous situation. Imagine this, you're parked on a flat surface, but there's a slight slope that you might not notice. When you exit your car, the weight of the vehicle shifts, and if you don't use the parking brake, your car could start rolling. This could lead to a collision, or at the very least, a lot of stress and hassle. So, always remember to use the parking brake, even when you're parked on flat ground. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in your safety and peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car safety tips. Drive safely, everyone.